Replacing the spark plugs. So we're going to be removing the spark plugs. We'll start from bank 4 this way to 3, 2, then 1. It will be hard to access the spark plug on cylinder 1, so we'll have to open some hoses over here. So T30, I'll show you that later. So we'll start with cylinder number 4, and we're going to be using zip ties. So we want the zip tie to go all around the ignition coil, and then we're going to be yanking it from the top. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I'll do it off camera since I need both hands. So first I'll bend this side and then try to make it go around. So I have to do it off camera. Cylinder number 4 is out, so I yanked it like I said. So we are proceeding to cylinder number 3, and my zip tie is all around, so all that is left is just yanking it. Okay, I need both hands to do this, so off camera. Next, we're going to be using this tool over here. I bought this off a hardware store, pretty cheap, $4 only. So this will be my spark plug spanner for now. Okay, so simple, just twist and it's open. So I've loosened both bolts, so now I'll just use my hand to open them, take them off. So that's open. And I think this one is also open. Since our plug spanner doesn't have the magnetic tool to fish out the spark plugs, we're going to be using our ignition coils to fish out. Go in. Okay. I don't think it's open, so let me continue opening it. The first spark plug is out, and clearly it has seen better days. So let's have a look at the brand new spark plugs. So let me open one and compare that and compare this. I think even the gap is kind of different. Number 3 cylinder spark plug is out, and it's even worse. To access number 2 and number 1, we have to open this here. We have to take out this clip and also open this here. All of them will be opened with a T30. Sounds like a cliche, T30 opening everything. And then we have to take out 2 clips. One is over here, I don't know, there, and also this clip over here, this one. Then we can move all these hoses around while we take out number 1 and number 2. So let me start by opening them up. So I've opened the two bolts, this one over here, and taken off this clip here, and took out this solenoid connector. I took this off as well, but this one doesn't need to be taken off. I think you can just return it. Yeah, that's tight. And what else? I took out this here by just pressing these two ends and then pulling it out. So now this one is a little bit free. I can access number 1 and also number 2. So we're going to use our zip ties again to go around number 1 and number 2 and then yank it out. So all the 4 spark plugs are out, and this is the last spark plug that I pulled out. This is from cylinder 1, and actually I got a code that cylinder 1 is misfiring. The gap seems right, but there's so much soot around it. This is cylinder number 3 and looks like the worst. I expected the misfire to have come from this, but it was this cylinder number 4. Actually no, this is the one from cylinder number 4. My bad. And yes, it looks terrible. Yeah, the way I remember is that it also had dents on the top here. So if you look here, there's some sort of dent, and the rest have no dents. Yep. The rest look normal. Alright, now this is the dent I was talking about. So yep, this is the one from cylinder number 4, and yeah, it looks really bad. Worse, but had no misfire. Definitely worse. Okay, so let's go ahead and replace the new spark plugs. So we're just going to slot them in. So my mech advised me that I initially wanted to buy Bosch spark plugs, but he advised me that NGK are actually much better. So we're going to be trying these NGKs. I just hope I do not get misfires because I bought them online and they're in. So we will be tightening them up. I realized that they're previously not tight, so I'll make sure they're pretty tight, because I notice a lot of fuel in the spark plugs, so I hope that's normal. Yep, so let me tighten them up off camera. We have our tool. Oh, actually I can do it with one arm. Let's go. I'll have to do this off camera. So everything is back together. I did this bolt, did the other bolts, returned the solenoid clip over here, returned this clip, put back this clip, and started the car. And it's a smooth run. That's how you replace spark plugs. So here are the old spark plugs, and I'm just going to return the engine cover.